So I wanted to pull a quick video for you to show you your travel stats and how to find them in the Prologue. Oh, bear with me for a second. So you start your car. And you're going to look at your screen right here. All right? And you're going to go into vehicle status right here. And on vehicle status, you're going to pick energy info. And you'll see some energy usage information here, like energy usage and energy efficiency. You're going to click on energy efficiency, and you're going to get these stats. You're going to get your trip totals, your average electricity used, and your regenerated miles. I find that helpful when I'm on a trip, and I'm going to leave a screen to show you my last trip and how much you actually regenerate by driving and braking. And I use the one pedal driving only. I'm used to it, and that's what I do. So that's how you find this. And once you can find it, you can thank me later. Take care now.